Ready, yeah? Hello students, class 9. Okay, welcome back once again. We'll discuss that work power energy. That chapter. Okay, next part, the energy. Already work part finished. पिछले पिछले जो एपिसोड में हमें क्या पढ़े थे, जो वर्क पावर एनर्जी का खाली वर्क हम पढ़े थे. अभी पढ़ेंगे एनर्जी. So now energy. This is energy. Okay, energy. तो एनर्जी यहाँ पे क्या होता है? एनर्जी द कैपेसिटी टू वर्क, तो कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क, दैट इज नोन एज एनर्जी. ओके, सो हियर वी विल डिस्कस नाउ W. W इज इक्वल टू हाफ mv स्क्वायर एंड इज इक्वल टू mgh. तो ये mv हाफ mv स्क्वायर क्या होता है? देखो, हाफ mv स्क्वायर मतलब काइनेटिक एनर्जी, राइट? व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी. एंड mgh मतलब दैट इज क्या होता है? ये पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. तो हमें ये प्रूव करेंगे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी एंड काइनेटिक एनर्जी ये जो वर्क के साथ कैसे इक्वल हो गया. तो वर्क, द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी मींस एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड. ओके, द एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड एट व्हेन बॉडी एट रेस्ट. So that energy, how it is equal to the work done. And similarly the kinetic energy, how the kinetic energy also equal to the work done. That two parts we will discuss. Okay, हम कैसे ये वाला दोनों प्रूव करेंगे कि हाफ mv स्क्वायर कैसे वर्क सेम होगा वर्क साथ. Okay, so that is, look at here. We know the W is equal to, last class में हम क्या पढ़ा था कि W is equal to Fs. Understood? W is equal to Fs. Vishwajit, understood? This is W is equal to Fs. So F is equal to force into S, displacement. So once again from the Newton's second law also you know that is equal to W is equal to Fs and F is equal to ma. That F is equal to ma from which? From Newton's second law of motion. From Newton's second law of motion state that force is equal to mass into acceleration, or rate of change of velocity is proportional to force. Okay, so this is equal to, this is here again the S is equal to displacement. Okay, now m into a means what is a? A means here acceleration due to gravity. Here acceleration is equal to here acceleration while body is moving in a straight line, that is linear action, linear acceleration. When body is coming vertically down or upward, that is we can say that acceleration due to gravity, that g, that value is constant. Okay, non confusion. Okay, this is 9.8 meter per second square, but this is only acceleration when body is moving in a straight line. Understood? Now a is equal to v square minus u square by 2s, because you know that the three laws of motion, that is equal to v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Clear? Similarly here only v square minus a is equal to v square minus u square equal to 2s, then a is equal to v square minus u square by 2s. Now s into s, so here s cancelled. Understood? When s and s cancelled, now final step what is coming? Final step is m into v square. This is your v square minus e square. Okay, divided by 2. So finally half mv square minus half mu square. Interesting. One thing you remember, ये वाला क्या होता है? ये जो हाफ mv स्क्वायर ना, फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ये क्या होता है? इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ये दोनों क्या होता है? ये है चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. ये बोलते हैं क्या है? चेंज. ये चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. और ये चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या होता है? द चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, द चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी मतलब ये जो चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, इससे बोलते हैं W इज इक्वल टू चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. तो W इक्वल टू चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी, इसे हम और एक दूसरा नाम पे बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. तो क्या बोलते हैं इसके? वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम. व्हाट इज वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम? द वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम मींस दैट इज द चेंज ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी. The is equal to work done. How much work is done? The how much energy changes, kinetic energy changes from initial to final. The change of kinetic energy, that means initial final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, you will get work done. That is known as work energy theorem. Clear? Okay, note down. So finally we got if the body starts from rest, if body starts from rest, then u is equal to 0. So w is equal to half mb square minus half mu square, that is equal to w is equal to half m b square minus 0. So finally w is equal to half m b square. Is it clear? So this part finished. This part finished. Be ready? Now second part will start. How it is mgh. So I hope you understood this one. Once again I'm telling, W is equal to Fs, force into displacement, and dot product of force and displacement. In place of force, you can write here from Newton's second law. Also, you can write here from Newton's second law. From Newton's second law. Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. ये वाला है. अगर ये वाला देखो, ये वाला जो लेटर लिखा है ना, थोड़ा छोटा छोटा दिखाई दे रहा है. अगर छोटा दिखाई दे रहा है तो उसको क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा जब देखने टाइम थोड़ा सा जूम कर लो तो आराम से दिखाई देगा. क्योंकि बोर्ड जितना है ना मेरा प्रूफ करेगा तो क्या होता है, तो ये लेटर साइज मेरे को छोटा लिखना पड़ता है. अगर मैं तो बड़ा लिखूंगा ना तो बार बार मेरे को साफ करना पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैं ऐसे लिख रहा हूं. ओके, थोड़ा जूम करके देख लेना. तो ये हो गया W is equal to half square. Done. Now we are going to discuss next part. W is equal to mgh. Okay, ready? Okay, right on. Next I will ask it. Start. W is equal to mgh. How the W is equal to mgh? So W is equal to mgh means how the potential energy is equal to amount of work done. Okay, तो मैं जितना जो चीज मैंने पढ़ाया आज तुम लोग आके यहाँ पे पढ़ाओगे. ओके, तुम लोग वही बात फिर से यहाँ पे समझाओगे. मेरे को देखना है तुम लोग कैसे समझते हो. ओके, कम से कम कोशिश तो करो ना. चलते हैं. तो हम ये वाला पढ़ाता हूँ, फिर अभी मेंटली प्रिपेयर हो जाओ, आज ही पढ़ाओगे तुम लोग. ओके, बी रेडी. तो ये है mgh. W is equal to mgh कैसे पढ़ाएंगे, ये वाला. ओके, वेरी easy concept. Please focus here and definitely you can understand. W मतलब work, mgh. You know that when a earth surface, this is a earth. When on the earth surface a body is falling. When a earth surface a body is falling, suppose this, look at here, this is a water bottle, no? It is having some weight. Okay, so having some weight means the weight means I think it is observed that some force is pulling downward. Understood? Some force is pulling downward. So weight of the body means that is equal to force exerted by the earth towards the ground, so downward. So that is equal to force. So weight is equal to force. So keep it in mind. The weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, weight, that is equal to force. Clear? So force is equal to mass into acceleration. Since the body is coming downward direction, that is why acceleration due to gravity is acting here. So that is equal to F is equal to m mass into acceleration, finally m into g. Understood here what I am telling? Okay, I hope you got it. Yes. So W is equal to mg. So mg means weight. Mg means weight. Okay. So now we know that W is equal to Fs and F means mg. What is S? S means displacement. Let us consider the body is coming displacement. This is your height. At this height, the body is falling. The body is falling from a height h distance. So h, the displacement is h. So height is h. Now W is equal to mgh. Clear? W is equal to mgh. So W is equal to mgh and W is equal to half mv square. So this is your what? This is kinetic energy and this is potential energy. The W is equal to half m square, W is equal to mgh. Understood? Any doubt? W is equal to half m square, W is mgh and W is equal to fs. तीनों चीज खत्म हो गया. आज ये वाला यही वीडियो में इतना ही करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दूसरा वाला पढ़ाएंगे, नेक्स्ट पार्ट पावर. ओके, चलो खत्म.